How to change language on YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into quick and easy tutorial, that is how to change the language in the YouTube app. Whether you are multilingual or just curious about exploring content in another language, this guide is for you. So without further ado, let's get started. So start by opening the YouTube app on your phone. And once you have opened the app, simply tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are in your profile section, simply tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you are in the settings section, simply tap on the general. And now here in the general section, you can see the option label app language. So simply tap on that. Now a pop-up menu with a list of available language will appear. So scroll through and select the language that you want. And after that, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on change. And that's it. Now YouTube will display content in your preferred language, making it easier to enjoy your favorite videos. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.